Hi, this is Sue, and I welcome you to the Nursing Skills Lab, Nursing 125 Skills and Simulation Lab. I am the nurse coordinator, a lab coordinator, and I'll be working with you along with Amanda and Elizabeth. The goal of the labs are to introduce you to skills, practice those skills, and then you'll be evaluated on them. There's 4 components to each lab. There's online Blackboard prep, everything's online. There's Mosby's videos and that you'll need to register for. The actual labs and simulations themselves on campus, and then 3 evaluated skills: vital signs, medication administration, and sterile technique. Your labs start on Wednesday. This for the first week. All of the weeks are going to be Monday or Tuesday. Please check your topical schedule for those times and topics. Labs are going to be held between 8 and 12, and again, you may go 8 to 10, 10 to 12, or depending what it is that we'll be doing that week. But those are the times we expect you to be there and to participate. The online required prep you get to complete in your own time. All information you need is found in Blackboard, and each lab includes a handout, a YouTube, a PowerPoint, which is optional, and the Mosby Skills videos, which you need to complete with a grade of 90. I will go over those and show you where you can find those in Blackboard. The clinical skills labs are required. They're like clinical time. You're going to have you'll have clinical towards the end of the semester, labs the first portion of the semester, but they all are required. If you miss one, it has to be made up, and you can only miss 2, so we certainly want you there if indeed, and please do your best to be there. Simulations will be part of the lab. You have a wonderful sim lab that we'll be using, and they will build on what we call previous sessions. So this week we have asepsis. When we have our first simulation, you will be using whatever something that you learned in asepsis. Then we have vital signs, and again, we build on until by the end of the semester you'll have a final sims which will incorporate the skills that you've learned this semester. All are required to participate. It's a safe, fun learning environment, and historically students have really enjoyed this learning medium. We have open skills labs for practice. See your topical schedule for times. Amanda and Elizabeth certainly will let you know about these, and as they are indicated on your schedule. These are self-directed. You need to be there. If you need the practice, you need to be there. And we'll have an instructor available, and also a faculty may require you to participate if they feel that more practice is warranted. So where do you start? We're going to, number 1, sign into Blackboard. Number 2, sign into the videos, the Mosby Skills videos. Number 3, that should be number 3, prep for Lab 1. Okay? And what I'm going to do is just walk you through Blackboard here really quick. And what I'm going to do is just bring this over and show you. What you have listed under my courses, I have a few more than you do, but this is the one you're looking for, the NURS 125 Bailey. And you probably already know this, but there's your, this is your entire course for your lectures, and then that's all your information for your lectures. And then here's your nursing lab. You can start here. You read about it. The videos sign in. I wanted to show you this in that, excuse me again, sorry about that. The Mosby Skills videos, this is a card that if you bought your text bundle in this SMCC bookstore in South Portland, this card is included in there, and this has your code to sign in and to register for the videos. All the information is right here, step by step, what codes to use, etc. If you did not purchase the bundle, then you'll need to go online. The link is there for you to register, and you will need to purchase online. And after you've done that, the labs are listed here, and you can go into each lab. And I'm specifically going to go into the first lab, which is asepsis. Again, when we mentioned there's 4 sections, here is your handout that has all the readings, the learning outcomes, and what to bring into lab, that sort of thing. There is a short YouTube under 10 minutes that goes over what I feel is salient pertinent information as far as the labs are concerned. There is a PowerPoint that I have mentioned, the no color of pictures, that's short and sweet, black and white, if you need to have a printout of the content of the YouTube. And then the last thing down at the bottom are the nursing video assignments and the sign-on link. So this link here will take you directly in, and this is on your handout, but the same thing here tells you which videos that you have to do for that week. And that's essentially it to get started. So your responsibility is complete your preps prior to attending, sign up for your open lab, schedule testing with your faculty, and let us know if you're having any issues. This is self-directed, and you know when you need more practice, so please use the resources that we have for you. If you need help getting started, you certainly can approach Amanda or Elizabeth. I will be available on Wednesday this week. And you can certainly email me if you have any questions. I'd be very glad to help you. I want to get you started off right so you don't get behind. And sign skills on what's going to happen on Wednesday is Amanda and Elizabeth will assign you Group A or Group B. And this is the time scheduled for those labs. And if you're not in lab, you'll need to be at standard precautions and complete the standard precautions requirements. So plan to be there Wednesday 8 to 12. My contact information if you need it, and if there's any questions. Again, I just want to stress the first week, if you don't get to the asepsis Mosby skills videos, it is okay because it's week 1. Please do your reading so you are prepared that way, but we will make sure that if you have any questions, we'll certainly take care of them on Wednesday. Thank you for your time, and I'll look forward to working with you in the lab.